In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how to activate your Sparkasse debit card. So if this is something that you want to be able to do, well then this video is going to be perfect for you. So as you can see, to be able to activate your Sparkasse card, what you need to do firstly is to log in into their online banking, as you can see. So go into Sparkasse official website and then log in into their online banking. And after that, as you can see, after logging in, you need to click on this one right here. And as you can see, you will then be able to find this one right here and also click on that one. So that is the step number 2. In step number 3, as you can see, in case you actually have more than just one Sparkasse cards right now on your account, you need to basically select the one that you want to be able to activate, as you can see. So you need to click on this right here, this like arrow pointing down, and select the card that you just got, the new one basically. And as you can see, in case you have only one Sparkasse card, the system will suggest only that card, obviously, as you can see. So you can just click right here. Then you need to follow the instruction on the screen and enter the TAN and the ATC value, as you can see, and then click on this one right here. So you need to click on this one. So you need to enter your TAN right here, or your ATC in here. And when you're done, just click right here. Sorry. And the step number 5 is going to be, as you can see, you have now configured your new Sparkasse card, and you can use it to create TANS, as you can see. And basically, you can just click right here when everything is done. So this is basically exactly how to do this.